Hey YouTubers and Fatblueman fans, this is Marlo from marlog.blogspot.com, here to show you a real cool tech trick. So, you got your Fatblueman tunes from iTunes, or you're cool like me and got an actual CD, in person, autographed. And you just say to yourself, it's not enough, it's not enough. I need more. I need more Fatblueman tunes in my life. Well, how do I do that? How about ringtones? And odds are, if you're in Japan, you have an iPhone. And if you don't have one, get one. You know who I'm talking to. Okay, so, as you see in my iPhone, oh, can you see that? There we go. And you can see I have Fatblueman. Well, one right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the ringtones really quick, really simple, really easy. So you're going to need two things. You're going to need, well, maybe three things. A computer. Gotta have one of those. iTunes. And your hands. I've got two. I've got two of these. Well, that look really big. Whoa. If you got one, if you only have one hand, I think it'll be okay. Okay, here we are. You notice I'm using a Mac, but you can use a PC. All you need is iTunes, and you can get iTunes for both. So, if you don't have the tunes, just go ahead and go to the iTunes store. Do a search for Fatblueman here, and you'll come up with this, and you'll find the music here. So, if you buy the music from the iTunes store, it's really simple to make a ringtone. You can just go to a playlist that you've made or of the songs and click create ringtone. But if you have the CD, like me, if you click ringtone, it'll tell you you can't do it. You can only make ringtones from music you bought from the store. So bummer. But I'm going to show you a quick get around so that you can make your ringtones. Okay, first thing, you want to find the song that you want to make the ringtone. Which Road Takes Me Home. That's the one that I use for my phone for now. So if you play the song, you can find out exactly which part you want to have as your ringtone, and you want to have only 30 seconds worth. Okay, so for me, I chose the first 30 seconds of the song. So to do that, you want to go right click, go to get info, go to options, okay, and you want to select the start time and stop time. So I put the stop time at 30 seconds. Okay, actually let's go ahead and do that right now. 30 seconds, not, there you go. We'll put it exactly 30 seconds. And okay. And when you do that, and you want to right click it again and go to create AAC version. Okay. And it's placed it in my library. So if I look at Fatblueman, I have two versions of the song, and you can see one is 30 seconds. So let's play that one. Okay, so you can see that's only going to play for the first 30 seconds. And this is the one you want to drag to your desktop. And this is the important part. If you looked at tutorials on how to do this before on YouTube, some of them might have left this out. You want to delete, after you copy to the desktop, you want to delete that 30-second version. Okay, you want to hit Command, there's no Apple key anymore. Command delete, and you want to move it to the trash. Okay? Okay, after that, you want to go to your desktop, and there it is. You want to rename this file. rename this file. It says the extension says M4A. You want to change that to M4R, and then you'll be prompted with this. Are you sure you want to change the extension to M4R? And you say yes. You want to use .m4r. Okay, and after you have that, you can re-import this back into iTunes by just double-clicking. Okay, there you go. And after it's imported, it'll show up under your ringtone section. Okay, and that's how you know you've done it correctly. Okay, and last part, just sync or connect your iPhone, and iTunes will recognize it. Select the iPhone, and you have all these tabs here. Find the ringtones tab. Sync ringtones, selected ringtones, and look for the ringtone you just made, Fatblueman in this case, and sync. And that's it, kids. Piece of cake. Okay, once that's finished, you can go to your settings button, to your sounds button. Oh, that's horrible. You can't really see it. Oh, that's a little better. And then you'll see a section for ringtone. And you just find the ringtone you want to use. Okay? Be sure to be as annoying as you can possibly can. So turn your phone up really loud in public places. Okay? Supermarkets, banks, do it.